The magic knot is one of my favorite things in crochet because I don't like to weave in my ends. So here's how you make it. I'm going to do it with two separate colors. So basically with your first strand, you're going to tie a knot around the second strand, and then you'll go back to your second strand and you'll tie a knot around your first strand. So basically, I like to put one strand on top of the other, and then I just work from left to right, and then we're going to just pull and look. Ta-da! And sometimes I'll tie another knot with those two ends, but I will do that again with you. Visuals are always the easiest way for me to see what I'm doing. So here we go.